Hi guys, welcome to TechCatAssist. In one of my videos I was showing you how we can try to fix the camera issues. In this video is going to be like a part 2 that you can try another trick hack in Windows Registry, okay? So I'm going to show it to you today. But before I do that, please guys subscribe to my channel, like this video, put some comments, and of course check my website TechCatAssist.com. That would be great, okay? The website is on the top. So let's go down to the corner. Okay, so what we need to do is here click on search and just type in regedit, so it's Windows Registry Editor. Click on run as administrator, click on yes. So this is your Windows registry. It's very sensitive data, so you have to be very careful what you're doing here. So before I do anything, I'm just going to click on file and export. So I'm going to do the full backup of everything, okay? So I'm going to put that on the desktop. Now what you need to do, we need to select actually computer first, because that's going to back up the whole registry, okay? And then file and export. And I'm going to just type in, I'm going to put that on the desktop, actually reg backup. Today's date it's 23rd of October already, Jesus. So Christmas soon. Click on save. Now that's gonna take a while to back up everything, so I'm gonna pause the video, okay? Okay, so that's done. The backup is done. So what we're gonna be looking for is an entry in the Windows registry under H key local machine. So if you click on that, expand that, okay, then go to software, okay, then scroll down and you look for WOW6432 node. Okay, click on that, expand that, okay, and you look for Microsoft, where is Microsoft? There it is, Microsoft. You scroll down to the very bottom and you have to look for Windows Media Foundation, expand that, and then platform. Now the Windows Registry Key that we're going to be adding is this one, enable frame server mode. So I've added that before, so I'm just going to delete that. I'm going to show you how you can add that, okay? So we're going to delete that. You probably don't have that, so you don't have to delete it. I've put it before, so I just gonna delete that now, and I'm gonna put a new one. So just click on edit, new, and then go to, actually sorry, we're gonna select that, so edit, new, the word 32 bits. Okay, and you need to rename it the same way, so enable frame server mode, enable frame server mode, enter, double click on that, value, make sure it's 0, so it's 0. So that's done now, okay? So you can just close the Windows registry and then restart your computer and then check the camera. If it's not gonna work, there might be something else, but this fix supposed to fix problems on some of the Logitech cameras, Asus, and other manufacturers as well. Try that, we'll see how it goes. There's an easy way to do this. To add this registry, I'm gonna show you actually on my website. I'm gonna show this website here. So that's the part on my website, the guide how you can do that. Okay, but I have here as well an option where you can download. You don't have to go to the registry. You're just gonna download the files here. Okay, so if I'm gonna show it to you this way. Okay, so regedit again, run as administrator. So I have this here. I'm gonna delete this. Okay, now I don't have this record here, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna download the files that I have on my website. So I'm gonna download, click here, that comes up here for me, right click, and I'm gonna click on open it. Now you see here, this is the entry that you don't have to do anything, you're just gonna double click that to add it to your registry. So I'm gonna put through, because I have 64-bit system. So guys, in order to check which version of Windows you have, if it's 62 or 40 or 32 bits or 64 bits, you just go to start, settings, and then I'm gonna go back, we have that open. So you go system, scroll down to the very bottom, about, and then you can check your version. So that's 64 bits, okay? I'm gonna close this now. So I'm gonna just enable. I'm gonna double click on this file, and I'm gonna add this to my registry. So it's asking me to run it. I'm gonna click yes. Asking to confirm as administrator. Click on yes. Another thing comes up here. Windows Registry Editor. Do you want to continue? Yes. So that value has been added now. Okay. So if I'm gonna open the Windows registry, see that's here added now. So then restart your computer and see how it works. So summarize, you can go and edit your Windows registry by clicking on search, reg edit, and then open as administrator and add this as I have it here on my website. Or you can download files and add it automatically by double click on the file. And then try it again. Try that. Okay. So I hope that this will fix your issue. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. Like the video, of course. Make a comment. And thanks for watching. See you next one. Till the next videos. Okay. Till the next video. Take care. Thanks. Bye bye.